Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hey, it is good to see you.
Oh, hello. How are you?
I am great. You look different.
Well, I have new glasses.
They look nice. Sarah, right?
Actually, my name is Mia.
Oh, I am so sorry, Mia.
It is okay, no problem.
I feel very bad now.
Do not worry about it.
Well, are you ordering coffee?
Yes, just one latte, please.
I can pay for it.
No, that is fine.
I really want to pay.
Okay. Thank you, Leo.
Wait, you remember my name?
Yes, we met last week.
Right, at the big meeting.
Actually, it was the gym.
The gym? Oh, wow.
Yeah, you were on the bike.
I am bad with faces.
I can see that now.
Is your coffee ready yet?
Not yet. Still waiting.
Well, this is awkward, huh?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you live near here?
No, I work nearby.
Me too. In that tall building?
No, the small blue one.
Oh, I see. Very nice.
Yes, it is very quiet.
I like quiet places.
Me too, sometimes.
Is that your latte now?
Yes, I think so.
The barista said Sarah.
Oh no, not again.
Did you tell them Sarah?
No, I said Mia.
Maybe they are confused too.
Maybe. It is a busy morning.
Well, enjoy your coffee, Mia.
Thanks. See you around, Leo.
Wait, is this your phone?
Oh, yes it is.
You left it on the table.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. See you.
Wait, one more thing.
Yes? What is it?
Is your name really Mia?
Yes. Why do you ask?
Just making sure. Bye.
Goodbye, Leo.
Bye. Finally.
Going up?
Yes, to the 10th floor.
Oh, I am going there too.
Okay, nice.
Is the elevator slow today?
Well, maybe a little.
I hate waiting.
Me too.
So, do you work here?
Yes, on the 10th floor.
I am new here.
I see. Welcome.
Thanks. I am Leo.
I am Mia. Hello.
Do you like the office?
It is okay. Very busy.
Are the people nice?
Most of them, yes.
Well, that is good.
Yes, it helps.
Is it hot in here?
Actually, I am cold.
Oh, sorry. I am hot.
That is fine.
Should I press the button?
The light is already on.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Do not worry about it.
I am a bit nervous.
First day?
Yes, my first day.
You will be fine.
I hope so.
The boss is nice.
Is your boss Mr. Smith?
No, Mrs. Jones.
Oh, I have Mr. Smith.
Good luck with that.
Is he mean?
Well, he is very serious.
Oh no, I see.
Just work hard.
I will, thank you.
Here is the floor.
Wait, this is floor 9.
Oops, my mistake.
Are you getting out?
No, I need floor 10.
Okay, let us wait.
Okay, more waiting.
This is very quiet.
Yes, very quiet.
I like your scarf.
Oh, thank you, Leo.
It is a nice color.
Thanks, my mom made it.
Wow, that is cool.
Yes, here is floor 10.
After you, Mia.
Thank you. Good luck.
Excuse me? Can you help?
Sure, what is wrong?
I am very lost.
Where do you want to go?
The Central Library.
Oh, that is far.
My phone says 5 minutes.
Let me see.
Here, look at the map.
Sir, your phone is upside down.
Oh, is it?
Yes, look at the arrow.
I am so embarrassed.
Do not be, it happens.
Now I see it.
You are walking the wrong way.
The other way?
Yes, go back 2 blocks.
2 blocks. Okay.
Then turn left.
Left at the bank?
No, left at the cafe.
The blue cafe?
Actually, it is yellow.
Oh, I see a yellow one.
Good. Turn there.
Then is it there?
No, walk 5 more minutes.
5 more? Wow.
It is a big city.
I am from a small town.
I can tell.
Is it that obvious?
Well, the map was upside down.
Right, good point.
Are you a tourist?
Yes, I am visiting.
Welcome to the city.
Thanks, you are very kind.
No problem. Happy to help.
Is the library beautiful?
Yes, it is very old.
I love old books.
Me too. They smell nice.
Yes, I agree.
Well, enjoy your walk.
Wait, one more question.
Yes, what is it?
Which way is north?
That way, behind you.
Oh, I am really lost.
Just follow the map.
The right way up?
Yes, the right way up.
Okay, I will try.
You can do it.
Thanks again, Mia.
Wait, how do you know my name?
It is on your bag.
Oh, right. Bye.
Excuse me, are you using this?
Yes, I am sitting here.
But that is my towel.
Oh, is it really?
Yes, it is my blue towel.
I am so sorry.
It is okay, I need it.
I thought it was mine.
Do you have a blue one?
Yes, look, over there.
Wait, that is my towel.
What? No, that is mine.
They look exactly the same.
They really do.
Is your name on it?
No. Is your name on yours?
No, I did not write it.
Well, this is a problem.
I am Leo, by the way.
I am Mia. Hello.
Which towel is cleaner?
I do not know.
This one is a bit wet.
Ew, then it is yours.
Hey, I am not that sweaty.
You are at the gym.
Well, you are right.
I will take the dry one.
Wait, is that one dry?
Yes, it feels very dry.
Okay, you take that one.
Thank you, Leo.
I will take the wet one.
Are you sure?
Yes, it is my fault.
That is very nice of you.
I should buy a red towel.
That is a good idea.
Everyone has blue towels here.
Yes, it is the gym color.
Are you finished with the bench?
Almost. 2 more sets.
Can I wait here?
Sure, just don't sit on me.
I will be careful.
I am joking, Leo.
Oh, I see. Good joke.
You are very serious today.
I am just tired.
Go home and rest.
I need to finish first.
Okay, work hard.
Thanks, Mia. See you later.
See you. Don't lose your towel.
I will try not to.
Goodbye for now.
Bye. Have a good workout.
Thanks, you too.
That is $12, please.
Okay, here is my card.
It did not work.
Really? Try it again.
Okay, let us try again.
Is it working now?
No, it says declined.
Oh no, that is impossible.
Do you have another card?
Let me look. One moment.
There are people waiting, Leo.
I know, I am sorry.
Is this card better?
Let us see. Swipe it.
Wait, it's declined too.
This is so embarrassing.
Maybe it is the machine?
No, it worked for others.
Do you have any cash?
I have $5.
I need $12, Leo.
Can I leave the milk?
Yes, that helps.
Now how much is it?
It is $9 now.
Still too much, sorry.
What about the bread?
Okay, no bread today.
Now it is $4.
Great, I have 5.
Here is $1 change.
Thank you so much.
You should call your bank.
Yes, I will do that.
Is your phone working?
Yes, at least that works.
Well, have a nice day.
Wait, can I have bread?
You only have $1.
Oh, right, I forgot.
The bread is $3.
Okay, never mind then.
You look very sad, Leo.
I am just hungry.
Well, it is okay.
Is it? It is awkward.
The people are looking.
I am going now. Bye.
Wait, you forgot your bag.
Oh, thank you, Mia.
No problem. Good luck.
Thanks, I need it.
Try the card again tomorrow.
I will. See you.
Bye. Have a better day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye now.
Yes, bye.
Can I help you, sir?
Yes, I am looking for help.
Please speak a bit louder.
I am trying to whisper.
It is okay to talk here.
Oh, is it really?
Yes, this is the lobby.
Oh, I did not know.
Where is the quiet room?
It is on the second floor.
Are there many books there?
Yes, thousands of books.
I need a book about cats.
We have many cat books.
Are they funny books?
Some are serious.
I want the funny ones.
Look in section 5.
Section 5. Got it.
Do you have a card?
A library card? No.
You need one to borrow.
Is it free?
Yes, it is totally free.
That is great. I want one.
I need your ID, please.
My ID? Oh, wait.
Is it in your bag?
I think I lost it.
That is too bad.
Wait, no, here it is.
Good, let me see it.
Your name is Leo?
Yes, Leo Miller.
And you live in Seattle?
Yes, how do you know?
It says it on here.
Oh, right, of course.
But this is Boston, Leo.
I know, I am traveling.
I cannot give you a card.
What? Why not?
You do not live here.
Oh, that is a rule?
Yes, it is the rule.
Well, this is awkward.
You can read here, though.
Really? For free?
Yes, just stay in here.
Okay, I will do that.
Enjoy the cat books, Leo.
Thanks, Mia, you are kind.
Wait, my name is not Mia.
Oh, the name tag says Mia.
This is my friend's jacket.
Oh, I see, sorry.
It is okay. Go read.
Okay, going now. Bye.
Is the bus coming soon?
I hope so. I am cold.
It is raining very hard.
Yes, my shoes are wet.
Watch out for that puddle.
Oh, too late. Sorry.
Did I splash you?
Yes, a little bit.
I am so sorry, Mia.
It is okay. It is rain.
Do you want my umbrella?
You do not have one.
Oh, right. I am wet too.
We are both very wet.
This is a bad night.
Well, it is a little funny.
Why is it funny?
Look at your hair, Leo.
Is it messy?
Yes, like a wet dog.
Hey, that is not nice.
I am just kidding.
I know. I look crazy.
We both look a bit crazy.
Is that the bus now?
No, that is a truck.
Oh, I cannot see well.
Because of your wet glasses.
Here, use my scarf.
No, it is dirty.
I do not mind.
Really? Okay, thanks.
Is it better now?
Yes, I can see you.
Do I still look crazy?
Yes, but in a nice way.
Thanks, I think.
You are welcome, Leo.
Is the bus here yet?
Yes, look, the number 10.
Finally, let us go.
Wait, I forgot my bag.
Where is it?
It is on the bench.
I will get it for you.
Hurry, the bus is stopping.
I got it. Here.
Thank you so much.
Get on the bus, Mia.
Are you coming too?
Yes, I am right behind you.
Be careful, it is slippery.
I am fine. Oops.
Leo, are you okay?
Yes, I just slipped.
This is very awkward.
Let us just sit down.
Yes, good idea.
No more talking now.
Agreed. Goodbye, Rain.